Do you want to learn English speaking skill? And you are searching everywhere which kind of tips, tricks, methods will help you to improve your English. So don't worry friends, in this video I'm going to share with you my story of how did I learn this language. Jai Shri Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in this video I'm going to share with you my story how did I learn this language and all the things which you will find very helpful if you really want to learn this language, and your journey will be easy after watching this video, believe me. So, without any delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay friends, so let's get into the topic. Okay, actually I just want to share with you a few points, like I'm not a English trainer, English speaking trainer. I'm just like you guys, and if you are thinking like this language is very difficult, so yes, in this video I'm going to just share with you few points. If you follow all the points which I'm going to share with you in this video, believe me, your perspective about this language will be changed, and you will easy you will be learning this language after watching my videos, believe me. So without any delay, let's get into the topic. First, I just want to share 3 or 4 points, like okay, my actually I have done my whole education throughout Hindi medium school, and yes, I had never spoken English anywhere to anybody before making this channel. First time I spoke in English through this channel. If you haven't watched my initial video, then go and watch, check out my initial video, and you will find like, okay, I have done so many mistakes. All the videos that I uploaded on YouTube initially time, all the videos were my practicing videos. So yes, you can find I have done so many mistakes. Okay, so that's why I'm just like you. If you are thinking like it's very difficult language, it's not true. And just follow my experience that I have experienced throughout this journey. Okay, and these experience will help you to enhance your English fluency. Okay, so first thing is that what I did actually for learning this language. First step that I had taken, 100-day challenge. Yes, 100-day challenge. First, what I did, I just set my mind. Okay, why am I learning this language? First question I asked to myself, why am I learning this language? Why is it important? Because I am actually I have already my job, and I am a good time actually, and there was no need for learning this language. So yes, and then I realized there is 3 point for learning this language, like first is attitude, and second is knowledge, and third is skill. Some people want to learn this language for their attitude, because English is related to our society, that there is a thing like everyone follow, like who speaks in English, the person who speaks in English gets preference everywhere. So yes, this is related to attitude challenge actually. Everywhere, like in fashion industry, corporate sector, in engineering line, doctoring line, everywhere English is important. Nobody can deny, oh, it's not true. Yes, it's true, English is important. Okay, so this is attitude challenge. Second is knowledge challenge. Okay, okay, maybe some people want to know some knowledge about this language, so that's why they are learning. And third is skill knowledge. Third is skill. For me, it is a skill challenge for me. Actually, I want to learn new skill which is related to my profession. My profession, actually, I have said you, like I am a I have a government job. I am a teacher. So yes, actually I want to enhance my skill related to my subject, like English subject. I know everything with this subject, but there was a problem at the time. I feel embarrassed, I feel inferiority when someone is spoke in English in front of me. So I felt embarrassed at that time. So I realized, why not learn this language, why not work on it. Okay, so yes, for me it is for me it was a skill challenge. Okay, easy to say. You can learn this thing as a ask: attitude, knowledge, and skill. Attitude, skill, and knowledge. Okay, so there are three things for learning this language. Now let's move on next step, that is, yes, first I ask myself, why am I learning this language? So yes, there is an answer. I want to enhance my, I want to learn new skills. So that's why I was learning this language. That's why I'm learning this language. At that time I asked myself a question, and yes, this is the answer. I am learning this language because I want to improve my skill. I want to learn new skill. Okay, next thing that I did is 100 days challenge. Yes, I followed 100 days. Okay, I'm going to speak in English for the next 100 days without skip a single day. I have to speak in English 15 minutes every day. So this is the challenge that I have taken at that time. 100 days challenge without skip a single day. And yes, minimum 15 minutes I have to speak. Okay, so this is the challenge that I had taken at that time. And after that, what I did, I follow all the thing, like, okay, uh, I started to collect some sentences in English. Okay, and all the sentences related to my daily routine life, my daily thing, my every all the sentences related to my situation. Okay, related to my school, related to my house, related to my relatives, everything. So I collected some sentences in English. Okay, okay, so this is the second step. Now let's move on. Third step that I did, I followed the same principle that I had followed while learning my native language. I mean to say, my mother tongue. My mother tongue is Hindi. So I asked myself, okay, how did I learn my mother tongue? Because you think about yourself when you were at the age of 3 or 4. So you were okay with your mother tongue. You were okay with your mother tongue at the age of 3 or 4. Yes, I know all of you will say yes. I was okay with my mother tongue at the age of 3 or 4. You can easily speak in your mother tongue to your friends, to your parents, your brother, your sister. So at the age of 3 or 4, were you going any school or college for learning this your mother tongue? Think about, no, you were not. So how did you learn your mother tongue? Because at that time you observed a lot, you listened a lot, you saw your mother, father, brother, sister, relative, you saw them, you copied them, then you started copied them, then you started observing all the thing very carefully. Okay, and at the time, by the time what I you started to speak in a broken language. Okay, and what happened at that time, your ego had not developed. So when you had made mistake in English, so yes, you did not feel ashamed, because because you at that time your ego had not developed. developed. But now time it's in a career time, in it's a job time, we have developed our own ego. So what happened when someone laughed at our English, so we feel like embarrassed, we feel like ashamed. Okay, people ashamed of my English. So yes, this is the feeling, and because of this feeling, most of people are not feeling comfortable. They feel like, okay, oh my god, I am become a joke. Okay, I mispronounce the word and people mock of my English, people will laugh at my English. So that's why you are thinking in your mind, and you are not you know speak out your words in a proper way, because you have already maintained this thing in your mind, like, what if I will speak in English, what if I will mispronounce the word, so people will laugh at my English. So yes, so I followed all the thing. What I did actually, I started listening lots of content in English. And we have a opportunity, actually we have an Android phone, so yes, we have a lots of information nowadays. So I started to listening different kind of content in English. And while doing my household chores, while doing any work, I started listening. And in between I started to speak out, simultaneously. Okay, so yes, this is the thing that I followed. And time by time I started to pronounce some words in English, some sentences in English. And I started to speak some sentence with my children. Okay, so yes, these thing I started to do, I used to do for learning this language. Now let's move on next step that I did. Okay, so after that I followed a driver approach. Actually, what is the driver approach? Actually, we are following mechanic approach, but we should follow driver approach. Now let's talk about what is mechanic approach and what is driver approach. Actually, mechanic who knows everything about the car, about the vehicles. Okay, a mechanic can break open the car or vehicle into small pieces and again put it back. Okay, but if I ask you a question, who can drive a car more effortlessly, more effectively? So your answer will be here: a driver can drive a car more effectively than a mechanic. Even he knows everything about the car, but driver can drive that car. A mechanic can drive a car more effectively than a driver? No, because driver have learned about how to drive a car, but mechanic have not learned. So yes, we can say a driver can drive a car more effectively than a mechanic. Even he don't know everything about the car. So yes, I just want to share with you an example. Actually, we are following mechanic approach. We knows everything about this language. We knows some grammar rules, active passive tenses, but we don't know how to use it effectively. So we have to follow a driver approach, not a mechanic approach. Okay, so for learning this language, for speaking English, you have to follow driver approach. So yes, that's the thing that I did. I started to speak out whatever sentence, whatever thing I read in English, I listen in English, I write in English. I started to speak out with my friends, with myself. Usually I practiced with myself. Actually, I had no one with whom I could practice in English. So that's why I started to speak out loud with myself. I choose myself my best friend, because nowadays it's very difficult to find a person who always with you, who always give you support. Everyone have a work, so that's why I followed new strategy. I started to listen, then I speak out loud. I started to read, then I speak out loud. So yes, this is a thing that I followed for learning this language. Okay, I used some when I think, okay, after 1 month I feel okay, now English was not a problem for me. I can easily give my answer in a broken language. I know I was not perfect at that time after 1 month learning this language, but I can say, okay, I can handle this language with myself without any hesitation. Yes, there may be some fumble, yes, there maybe some stuckness, but I can say I can handle this language. Okay, after this, what I did actually, I started to revise all the things that I have learned before, that I have read before, that I have write before. I started to revise all the time. Why? Because when we revise all the time, time by time, so there is a memory. It our knowledge will convert into the memory. Okay, so yes, this is a thing that we have to do for learning this language, because this is a skill. When we do all the things again and again, so we have to, we automatically have to habitual for doing that thing. Suppose that here I'm going to give you an example, like in primary time, when I started learning how to drive a car, so I was very conscious about, okay, this is the brake, this is the accelerator, and this is the steering. Okay, I have to is I have to drive car very consciously. And what if somebody suddenly comes in front of my car, so yes, I have to put this leg into in this place like brake. Okay, so yes, I was very conscious initially time, but time by time, when I every day I took my car to school, and I again to home. So yes, it was a habit for me. My practice convert to my habit. And yes, I can say, like, I can drive a car half asleep, but I am not doing this thing. I just want to say this thing, this is the practice that I have developed. So yes, this is the same with this language. If you do practice each and every day, so yes, it will convert habit. It will come when you learn all the thing, when you revise all the thing that you have listened earlier, that you have read earlier, that you have write earlier. So all the thing that you have done initially time, it all your knowledge will convert into your memory. And whenever you get chance to speak in English in front of the public, so yes, all the things, all the memory automatically come to you, to your mouth. And when you do this thing, and you will feel, okay, I get confidence in English. Oh, it's very and this is the feeling that you feel very confident, very confident. When you get confident in English, what happened? Your personality, your aura, your positive vibes, everything increasing day by day, will be increasing day by day. So believe me. Okay, so yes, all the thing that I used to do for learning this language, so this is my story. And for this language, learning this language, it took only believe me, it took only 1 month. After 1 month, I can say I can handle this language. But this is a language, and it will take a long time. This is a language. Every day we have to learn different thing. We have to speak in English. So try to speak in English, try to immerse yourself totally in English. It's not a difficult task. It is just like a language, just like a other language, Hindi, Tamil, Punjabi. It is just like a other language. Okay, not more than enough. So just keep that in your mind and learn this language. It's a beautiful language. It's a language that will give you confidence, that will increase your personality, and yes, it will give you respect. to the society. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, I will meet you, I will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.